Gathered here two miniature chainsaws. Check this out. Pew pew pew. That's so funny. Dual wielding over here. So what we're gonna do is just put them to the test. Which one is going to cut better, I guess. But just wanted to show it to you guys again for those people who haven't seen these ones. This is Stihl Milwaukee. Two amazing Lear chainsaws. Obviously just taming the taste, nothing major. Not following the taste. Also Stihl is a lot smaller versus Milwaukee, so I'm expecting Milwaukee gonna be a lot faster, but we're gonna cut it at the same time, see what happens. Okay, there goes nothing. This one getting stuck a little bit more. Obviously gonna be a lot longer. This is funny. Okay, this time we're gonna do one hand at a time. I was pushing it really strong and it didn't stop. So this one is like this. Yeah, I gotta push it very little bit. So as you can see, this one a lot longer. But again, it's a lot smaller. So if I push it too hard, it will stop too. So medium push. Versus this one, you gotta hold it like this. I get it stuck. So almost like one-handed. So now you know what it is compared to each other actually in real life, because if you're looking online you can really tell how much bigger it is or smaller. So this is so tiny, I love it. This one is also tiny but a little bit more powerful, a little bit bigger. Both are awesome addition to my collection. One more time for fun, 2x6. It's so hard to focus. Okay. I think I missed it a little bit. Pretty awesome. One more time, just a hand, just so you know what it will look like in the actual work construction place. I'm pushing it quite hard. It got stuck one time, second time. So not bad, look at that. And what about this one? I cannot push that hard. Why is it getting stuck? One hand is better. So that's why I'm not pushing it too hard. Maybe finish it this way. Oh, there is a nail. Oh well. Nice, not bad, I like it. So pretty awesome little tools for like little jobs. Okay, it's raining, gotta get out.